Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. This video is not going to be about Dogecoin. It's going to be about Shiba Inu and why I think that there is a very, very, very highly likely possibility that Robinhood lists Shiba Inu before the end of this year. And there's one very, very simple answer to this is they want to catch the altcoin season before it actually happens. So again, going back to common sense theory, sorry if I'm panting, I'm currently working out, but going back to common sense theory is the reason Robinhood wants to actually list Shiba Inu coin, and apart from then, it kind of being already like official news that, their wallets, Robinhood's wallets are actually purchasing reserves of Shiba Inu in masses. And that's just so they can have everything on hand, before it's actually listed. They did the same with Dogecoin, they did the same with Bitcoin, whatever, right? Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, for everything that they hold right now. They have to have reserves. But the main reason why I think that Robinhood is going to actually list Shiba Inu soon is because they want to catch alt season. And we all know that as soon as Bitcoin actually closes the month bullish, I think nobody here or nobody should be short on Bitcoin. I think I'm like 99.9% sure the bull run already started. If you follow me on my Patreon, we already caught, we all already caught that weekly bullish close back like $10,000 ago, and possibly even sooner than that, or lower than that actually. But we know that as soon as Bitcoin closes a weak bull candle on the reverse MACD, that altcoin season is going to start. I already made a video about this. You can go back like a couple videos and I tell you exactly when I think the altcoin season is actually going to start. And this goes into the Bitcoin dominance chart, right? So when Bitcoin dominance starts showing weak monthly momentum, that's when Bitcoin begins to slowly come back down in dominance, and altcoin season is in full effect. And I think Robinhood wants to catch all season because they know that there's going to be a mass amount of volume and liquidity in the market and trading in the market. And if Shiba has already proven itself by being the highest, the biggest traded crypto that has only ever, it's the only crypto that ever beat Bitcoin as far as volume. And what they want to do is they want to list it on Robinhood to get all these sweet transactional fees, because that's partly how they make the revenue, right? They made so much money off of Doggy when it was in his heyday, right? Back in early 2021. Again, Doggy is still a pretty big revenue generator for Robinhood. But personally, I think that Shiba Inu is going to be an even bigger revenue generator for Robinhood, because they already know that the trading volume is so huge for that crypto. And because it's so low priced, it attracts a lot of new investors, where if you invest 100 bucks, you have like 1 million Shiba Inu, as opposed to Dogecoin, which you invest $100, you only have about what, like a couple Dogecoin, right? So it's definitely catered towards newer investors because of that lower price, and kind of makes you feel like you have a lot more when you've only invested like $100, $10, $30, $50. So I think that statistically there's a very high chance that Robinhood lists Shiba Inu before altcoin season, because they want to catch that wave up. So I think it's common sense for them to list it again. This is just speculation, it's not official news or anything, but I think that if they are going to list it, it's going to be before altcoin season starts. And if it's not listed by when altcoin season actually starts, then I don't think they're listing it, at least not for a while. That's the bad part, because if they want to catch all the money, all the transaction fees, then they gotta list it before altcoin season starts. Because if they list it like in the middle of alt season or after, there's no point, because they're not going to see all that volume, all that liquidity. Robinhood's not dumb. If they want to make money, they have to list it before alt season starts. And I think if it does get listed, it's going to get listed this year, because if they don't, they're gonna miss the alt season, and they're not gonna, either they're not gonna list it at all, or they're gonna wait for the next rally, which is probably not gonna be for a while. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.